Alright, tonight we're going to make hunter steak with lack of anything better to call it, Italian potatoes. I'm using top round cube steak, bacon, Italian seasoning for the potatoes, Montreal steak seasoning for the steaks, and a little bit of olive or vegetable oil. First thing we want to do, sprinkle a little bit of this Montreal seasoning on both sides. Pat that in there, flip them over, the other side. And now, lay out 3 slices of bacon, like so. Take the steak, put it in the center, flip them over, to the side, lay out the bacon, steak, notice I'm pressing the bacon on so it stays, and these are ready for the frying pan. So put these in the frying pan. I'm going to put this side where the bacon meets down, so that cooks first. Give my hands a quick wash. Now for the potatoes. Got a can of nice whole potatoes here. I'm just going to pop these in here like this. Okay. Take a knife, cut them in half, pan. Like so. That. So cut side is down, they stay in place. That. Now, drizzle in a little bit of oil. Take some of this Italian seasoning, sprinkle over the top like so. We've got the meat on medium cooking in the frying pan. Pop these in a 350-degree oven for a little bit. Okay. Get this cooking for a while. Now I'm going to give it a little flip. Notice how everything just stayed together real nice because I put this side down first. Let's check on the potatoes, see how they're looking.
Our veterans are voting for Obama, they're not, they're voting for Paul.
Potatoes are coming along, they're not done yet, but they're coming along. Okay, we're almost done here. We're going to give these one more little flip. Oh, they're looking good. They're looking good. Nice and brown that chicken. Now we're going to do the little final touch to the potatoes. I'll adjust the camera here a little bit for this. Now what I'm going to do with the potatoes is I got this Italian 5 cheese, shredded cheese. It's got mozzarella, provolone, romano, as-you-go, and Parmesan cheeses in it. Take the potatoes out of the oven. I'm going to sprinkle some of this on top and pop them back in the oven to finish it off and let the cheese in. Pop this back in by the time it melts. Only be in a minute or two. Meat will be done and dinner will be ready. Okay. Take this all up. Cheese is all nice and melted over there. Beautiful. Oh, I wish you could smell this. There we go. Hunter steak with Italian potatoes.